In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vehicle lease using QuickBooks Online. This is a great skill to have under your belt because it ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date, particularly when tracking the costs associated with leasing a vehicle for your business. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to QuickBooks Online and start by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your dashboard. The gear icon is your gateway to the settings and tools you need to manage your accounts effectively. Once you've clicked on it, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Here, we want to select Chart of Accounts. Think of the Chart of Accounts as the backbone of your financial tracking. It organizes your financial data into categories that make sense for any business. Once you've accessed the Chart of Accounts, look towards the top right for a button labeled New. This is where we'll create a new account specifically for your vehicle lease. Click on this button to get started. You'll now see a form that asks for details about the new account. It's crucial to give this account a name that makes sense to you and possibly to others who might be reviewing your books, so consider naming it something like Vehicle Lease Expenses. After naming your account, you'll be prompted to select an account type. From the drop-down menu, choose Other Expenses. This category helps in distinguishing the lease from other kinds of expenses your business might incur. Following this, you'll need to select a detail type. Let's go with Vehicle Lease. This specification is imperative for accurately categorizing the expense and will come in handy when generating reports, ensuring you have a clear depiction of where your funds are going. Now that we've set up the account category for your vehicle lease, we can move on to recording transactions. For instance, let's say you need to log a payment you made to the dealership. To do this, navigate your way to the top left of your QuickBooks Online interface and click on the New button. You'll be presented with a few options. Select Check if you wrote a check, or choose Expense if you used another form of payment. Input all necessary details related to the expense, such as the date, amount, and the dealership as the payee. Finally, in the category list provided, make sure to select the vehicle lease account we just created. This action ensures that the expense is correctly categorized under vehicle lease, aligning with the account structure you've set up and maintaining the integrity of your financial data. And that's it. You've successfully set up an account for your vehicle lease and entered a transaction in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll keep your records accurate, making financial reviews and reporting that much easier. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on our QuickBooks Online tutorials.